Hey travelers, welcome back to another TMR tour. Today we are headed to the Hard Rock Hotel over at the Universal Orlando Resort. This hotel is decked out and celebrates rock and roll. If you're staying here, you do get that unlimited express pass inside the parks and a water taxi to City Walk. The room accommodations were amazing and very spacious. Ample storage and workspace, as well as those plugs and USBs to charge any devices. The rock and roll motif plays throughout the entire room and has a little touch of chic as well. Between the two beds is a nightstand with a Bluetooth speaker and clock, which is a nice touch where a lot of resorts are missing that nowadays. Another fun feature is this tall mirror that features heights of various artists and performers. By the entryway is a small bar with a coffee maker, ice bucket, and refrigerator. The bathroom was also rocked out with this amazing drumstick wall art. It was clean, luxurious, and to the point. One thing I will note that is kind of strange, but Universal has always provided really decent soaps and conditioners, so check those out as well. Overall, the room was spacious and we enjoyed it a ton. Now let's take a look at the rest of the resort. The Woodstock lawn available for parties, events, and weddings. And the pool here, oh my goodness, it is amazing. All kinds of water features around it, a bar, a water slide, and you can hear the poolside music when you're underwater. Now let's talk about the food offerings, to which there are plenty. If you're on the run, they have a marketplace where you can get grab and go items, as well as a small counter service to get some lunch type meals and breakfast. There is also their sit-down dining called The Kitchen, which is a phenomenal restaurant that we ate at during our honeymoon stay, as well as our recent trip here for Stacy's birthday.
There's gummy bears!
Also, if you need some of that Hard Rock merchandise, they do have a gift shop with all kinds of stuff, or you can take the water taxi to City Walk to check out the Hard Rock Cafe there as well. If you're living on the edge and want a good time, we would highly recommend coming to Universal Orlando and staying at the Hard Rock Hotel. Would you like to stay here? We'd love to hear from you in the comments. Also, make sure to subscribe and ring the bell for notifications, and we'll see you on another TMR tour.